far as anything with like assault rifles going to be. The ARs, these are 308s, 5.56, 7.62s, and we got the micro down there on the bottom. That's 7.62 AK micro. Sure, you got your driver's license on there? I need to yeah. And your address is? But what is it? 201. Yeah. Okay. We have that. Matt? There you are? Okay.
You guys busy today?
I'm pretty good.
Mark, just want to say that you're nice looking good. So. What year is Mickey Mouse? I mean, what year?
That's this year. Everything on this wall is new this year.
Good.
That should be a Ruger. Got the top size on the right. You on this one? Okay. I got another one just like it.
And I'm gonna look at the glocks.
Yeah, it makes fun getting the gun first. That's the last one of those I got. Which one were you looking at? 10. 22, that's at 40 cash. Sure. That's the third separation.
Actually, what's this issue? I think you have 2 pins more, so I have a weight balance issue with my going from my hand to my arm.
Okay.
So you want to hold the air in the bus at the same time?
Yes.
Weight with you?
I don't know that. Okay. I'm allowed to do one gun at a time. I'm like a jewelry store gun.
What are you doing?
That's a 47 9mm.